Welcome back, fourth grade. We are back in Ergstown. Today we're going to do lesson 2.3, activity 3, and it's called Too Many Devices Demonstration. Let's review our unit question. Our question we're answering in this whole entire unit is, how does the electrical system work? So today we're going to try adding more devices to our simple electrical system. As you can see, this is what it looked like. We had a solar panel, we had some wires, we had some buzzers, and we're going to add, if you remember making or watching, we had one that had one buzzer in it. We're going to add more today. So what your job is to carefully observe what happens using both your eyes and your ears. And after each demonstration, you'll be asked to fill out your graphic organizer, which is in Seesaw.
Let's make a simple electrical device by attaching the solar panel to a buzzer. Watch and listen as the light of the lamp shines on the solar panel. We can change the system by adding a second buzzer. Watch and listen again. What do you notice? Let's make a simple electrical device.
All right, here we go. In your Seesaw activity, demonstration 1, I want you to write down what you heard, what you saw when it had one buzzer. So think about that. You can go back and rewatch the demonstration if you want. I also want you to write down what you saw and what you heard when we had two buzzers. Now remember, these observations are going to help us figure out what happened to Ergstown the night of the blackout, and they just might help you solve their problem. So what did you observe? What did it sound like with one buzzer? Did you hear that high pitch bzzz? It was really high and solid and continued. How was that different when we added two? It should have sounded a little bit different to you. Almost a little bit lower, a little bit slower, more like bzzz, and almost like they were competing against each other, like they were fighting at the same time. Now, you're going to make a prediction, also on your Seesaw graphic organizer. What will happen if we add another buzzer, a third buzzer? So in this part of your organizer, I want you to make a prediction of what will happen when we have 3 buzzers. Go ahead and stop the video, write your prediction, and then let's see if you're right.
Here's our electrical system again. Let's see what happens if we add another buzzer to the system. What did you observe?
All right, so what did you observe this time? Let's write it down in our graphic organizer under 3 buzzer observations right here. What did you observe? I want you to think about, why did the buzzers sound different when there were more than 2 of them? Why? What did it sound like? Remember, one was that high, solid bzzz, and when we had 2, it was a little bit lower, a little bit slower, more like bzzz. When we had 3, if you predicted that there would be no sound, you were correct. Good job. But why do you think that happened? Why did all of them stop working when I added the third buzzer? Now I want you to add your answer of why you think this happened to your graphic organizer in this section. Why did the buzzer stop working when I added a third buzzer? Go ahead and stop the video. Write your answer. Let's make a new prediction. What do you think will happen when I remove a buzzer? So we had 3. I'm going to remove 1. Let's see. Make that prediction, and we'll see if you're right. Here's the section of your graphic organizer. What do you predict will happen if I remove a buzzer? Let's find out.
The electrical system with 3 buzzers didn't work. Let's find out what happens if we remove one of the buzzers. What did you notice?
All right, write what you observed after I removed that third buzzer. Did you hear anything after I removed the third buzzer? Did what you observed match your prediction? If you said that when I removed the third buzzer, it would work again, well, then you're right. Well, what do you think will happen if I remove another buzzer? Go ahead, make your prediction in Seesaw, and then we'll watch it.
Here's our working 2-buzzer system. What happens if we take one buzzer away? Did your predictions match what happened?
Make your observations. What actually happened after I removed that third buzzer? We're down to 1. What happened after I removed that next buzzer? Write it down. So our job now is to take what we just observed with the 1 buzzer, the 2 buzzers, the 3 buzzers, and what happened when we removed the third buzzer and the second buzzer, to use that information to help us with the electrical system in Ergstown. This is the question you're going to answer in your graphic organizer. What do you think we can learn about the Ergstown electrical system from what we just observed in the simple electrical system? You will write this on your graphic organizer and then share it with your teacher. I hope you have a good day.